In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add movie clips to your edit in CapCut on Mac or PC. Let's get started inside CapCut's desktop version. First, log into your CapCut account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section called Templates and Projects. Under that, click on Recent Projects. This will show you a list of your existing edits. Choose the project where you want to add your movie clip by clicking on it, and CapCut will open it up in the editor. If you'd rather start a brand new edit instead, look toward the top left and click the Create New button. This opens a fresh, empty project where you can begin building your video from scratch. Now that you're inside the editor, turn your attention to the left toolbar. Find and click the Media option. This is where all of your imported files will live. In the Media panel, click on Upload, then choose Upload File from the drop-down menu. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate through your folders to find the movie clip you want to add, select it, and press Enter or click Open. You'll now see the clip appear in your Media panel, and it will start uploading. The upload time can vary depending on the size of the video file and your internet speed, so give it a moment if it's a larger clip. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the thumbnail fully loaded. Click on the clip, and CapCut will automatically add it to your timeline track at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can adjust where the clip appears in your edit. Simply click and drag the clip left or right along the timeline to change when it starts. You can also move it to a different track by dragging it up or down, which is helpful if you're layering multiple clips or arranging overlays. To trim the clip, hover your mouse over either the beginning or the end of the clip on the timeline. Your cursor will change to a trim icon. Click and drag inward to shorten the clip, or drag outward to reveal more of it if you've previously trimmed it. There are additional editing tools available above the timeline when the movie clip is selected, such as options for cutting, duplicating, or adjusting speed. You can also enhance your clip using the left toolbar for templates, elements, audio, and text. Scroll through these options and click on each category to explore what works best for your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a movie clip to your CapCut project on Mac or PC.